Log into Auto360 using your standard Dealer Solutions dashboard client number, username and password. If you can't remember these, reach out to one of our customer service representatives. You can search by rego, stock number, make or model for the vehicle you wish to showcase in the search bar at the top of the main screen. To add still photos to the stock item, click on the grey Gallery button at the bottom of the screen. While there are no current images, this screen will be empty. If you have some existing photos, they will appear here. Click Add Images. In most instances, you'll want to use the camera option to take a new photo with our smart frames. There are 20 wire frames to help you compose our photos with best results. You can choose the None template option to take photos of your choice. To save, click Next. To reorder your photos before saving, click the Reorder Images button at the bottom of the screen. Firm press on the 3-line icon on the right of the photo to be moved and then drag into place. To save, click Next. Tapping on an image allows you to edit the photo, either by replacing it or selecting the sliders for adjusting rotation, brightness and contrast. Against the same stock item, you can now add a video. This function allows you to use either a front or rear camera and sound or mute. Video can be used as a standalone feature or as a video hotspot against a 360. You can pause and restart your video to ensure a smooth transition between the features you want to show. When complete, press Done. Video Options then allows you to review and accept the video before upload. Once accepted, press Next. Against the same stock item, you can now add exterior or interior 360s. To perform an exterior, select if you wish to walk around the vehicle or use a turntable. In this instance, we'll show you the Walkaround. We suggest marking your starting point on the ground. This ensures you return to the same position for a smooth result for your 360. Line up the vehicle in the wire frame. You will notice the green, yellow and red indicator, which will let you know if you tilt your phone too much while capturing. The aim is to keep this indicator mostly green throughout for the best results. From the starting position, line up the car in the wire frame and click the red button to start. Wait for the 3, 2, 1 countdown and then start moving to your right at a steady pace. The app will count the degrees as you move around the vehicle. For the best results, remember to keep the vehicle within the brackets for the entire duration. As you reach the end of your 360, you'll see a picture appear on the screen with your starting position of the car. Continue the remainder of the 360 and return to the mark you placed on the ground. You'll be able to line up the start and end position of the car, and as your pictures align, tap the red button to stop. You can now see a preview of the unprocessed 360. Keep in mind, it will go through a stabilization step prior to uploading to your website, Cars Guide and AutoTrader. Now tap Done. Your exterior 360 is complete.